Unit 6, Vocabulary, page 70. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and write the day.
What's the matter, Max?
Well, Doctor, on Monday I had a headache. On Wednesday, I had an earache. Then I had a fall and hurt my hand. I had to get an X-ray. On Thursday, I had a cough and a bad back. And on Saturday, I had a stomach ache. I was sick. And I got a cut on my leg. I started to cry.
What a bad week.
Yeah. Then I woke up, but now I have a toothache.
Unit 6, Vocabulary, page 70. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
Toothache. Toothache. Headache. Headache. Earache. Earache. Fall. Fall. Hurt. Hurt. X-ray. X-ray. Cough. Cough. Back. Back. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Sick. Sick. Cut. Cut. Cry. Cry.
Unit 6, Story, page 74. Exercise 2. Listen and read. A strange car accident.
Alex and Lisa were playing in the yard with Alex's new toy, a remote-controlled car, when Dad got home from work. "Dad, watch out!" cried Alex. "You mustn't step on the car." But it was too late. Dad's foot got stuck in the car. He was rolling all over the yard. Alex tried to stop the car, but he couldn't control it. Lisa ran to help Dad. He was heading toward the flowers very quickly. "Oh no!" cried Lisa. But Dad fell into the flowers. "Ow! I hurt my foot. I must get an X-ray," said Dad. Later, Dad was lying on the couch. The children brought some ice for his foot. "Here, Dad, you should put ice on your foot," said Lisa. "No need. I'm actually okay," said Dad, laughing. "But," said Mom, "you have to pick up your toys in the yard before someone really gets hurt."
Unit 6, Listening and Speaking. Page 75. Exercise 2. Listen and number.
Today, we're going to talk about how to be safe at home. You don't want to have an accident, so here are a few tips to be safe. 1. You should always pick up your things and put them away. Your toys, your clothes, or any school materials on your desk. Being clean means being safe. 2. You should close your front door when you're inside your home. Also, you must remember to lock it at night. 3. You mustn't touch dangerous products. These are for your mom and dad. Cleaning materials and medicines are dangerous products. Medicines you don't know can make you sick. When you need medicine, Mom or Dad will give it to you. 4. It's exciting playing outside, but you should play inside your yard to stay safe. You have to be careful if you climb a tree, otherwise you could fall. And you absolutely shouldn't play in the street. It's dangerous, and you can get hurt. 5. Finally, cables look fun, but they're dangerous. Live cables can hurt you. You mustn't touch them or play with them. Thank you for listening. Remember to be safe at home and follow this guide.
Unit 6. Vocabulary. Page 76. Exercise 1. Listen and number the people. 1.
Sarah is holding her stomach. She has a really bad stomachache.
2.
Grace cut her arm. A nurse is putting a Band-Aid on for her.
3.
Jake is upstairs. His leg is hurt.
4.
Sam is feeling ill. He looks a little green in the face.
5.
Tim is all right now. He's leaving the hospital and going home.
6.
Nurse Harper is putting on her coat and getting ready for a long day.
7.
Peter loves cycling, but he hurt his arm. He's trying to take off his helmet with just one hand.
8.
Dr. Jill is downstairs. She's calling patients on her list.
Unit 6. Vocabulary. Page 76. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
Upstairs. Upstairs. Downstairs. Downstairs. Stomach. Stomach. Ill. Ill. All right. All right. Band-Aid. Band-Aid. Take off. Take off. Put on. Put on.
Unit 6. Vocabulary. Page 76. Exercise 4. Listen and complete.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.
I went upstairs and took a fall. I fell down the stairs and ended up in the hall. I took off my sock and looked at my foot. I had a bad cut, so on it a Band-Aid I put.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.
I ate a big pizza. I felt very ill. My stomach hurt a lot, so I had to take a pill. I put on my helmet and got on my bike, but I shouldn't go cycling late at night. I fell off my bike and hurt my leg. When I got home, I had to go to bed.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.
Unit 6. Listening and speaking. Page 189. Exercise 1. Listen and check. 1. What's the matter with Violet?
Are you okay, Violet?
No, I'm not.
What's the matter? Do you have a headache?
No, I ate a lot of pizza.
Do you have a toothache?
No, I don't. I have a bad stomachache.
2. What does Kai have?
How are you, Kai?
I don't feel great.
Do you feel sick?
No, not really.
Do you have an earache?
No, it's not that. I have a bad cough.
3. Where should Luna go?
I'm at the nurse's office now. I have a toothache.
Oh boy, is it bad?
Yes, it is. Should I go to the doctor?
Well, I think you should go to the dentist. Doctors don't cure teeth.
Good idea. Ouch, it hurts.
4. What X-ray did Anna have?
How are you, Anna? What happened?
I was at school. I had a bad fall.
And hurt your back?
No, I hurt my arm. The doctor did an X-ray on my arm.
Did you get an X-ray of your leg too?
No, that doesn't hurt, so just the arm.
5. What must Mia wear?
I have a new bike. It's red.
That's great.
I have new gloves to wear and new sneakers.
That's good. But what you must wear is a helmet to protect your head.
Okay, thanks.
Unit 6. Integrated Skills Review. Page 194. Exercise 1. Listen and choose the correct option.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.
I went upstairs and took a fall. I fell down the stairs and ended up in the hall. I took off my sock and looked at my foot. I had a bad cut, so on it a Band-Aid I put.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.
I ate a big pizza. I felt very ill. My stomach hurt a lot, so I had to take a pill. I put on my helmet and got on my bike, but I shouldn't go cycling late at night. I fell off my bike and hurt my leg. When I got home, I had to go to bed.
What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong. What's the matter? What's wrong? Are you all right? Try to be strong.